Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries in your Garmin Vivofit. So to do this, we're going to need three things: the Garmin Vivofit, two CR1632 watch batteries, and then a small Phillips head screwdriver. The first step is to remove the watch from the watch band, and we can do that by just pulling up on the rubber band here, and then pulling back. Once we have the watch out, remove all four of these screws on the top. Once you've removed the screws, the bottom will come off, revealing the batteries right here. Remove the old batteries. So with the new batteries, follow the guides that are located in the back piece so that you put the batteries in correctly. Put the watch back together and then tighten the screws. A good way to tell if the batteries have been put in correctly is to see if a 0 is located on the screen now. Once the batteries are in correctly, just put the watch back in the band, ensuring that this area is on the same side as the button. You have now replaced the battery in your Garmin Vivofit. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.